Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The ultimate in mobile luxury is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Pure Luxury Motorhome, which skillfully combines the unmatched elegance of the Maybach with the roomy comfort of a high-end recreational vehicle. This fictitious invention, which would represent a mobile haven of exquisite craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, would surely change the parameters of luxury travel. The 2026 Maybach Pure Luxury Motorhome's appearance would probably radiate refined presence and subtle grace. Anticipate a finely sculpted body that might include recognizable grilles, sophisticated chrome accents, and perfectly integrated lighting elements, all of which are hallmarks of Maybach design. The vehicle would be large in size, but its design would aim for a smooth and elegant look that would convey its high-end status without being conspicuous. The residence would have seclusion and wide-ranging views because to the large, shaded panoramic windows. It would be like entering a mobile five-star suite when you stepped inside. An uncompromising dedication to the best materials and painstaking craftsmanship would define the interior. An atmosphere of unmatched luxury would be created by custom metal inlays, precious wood veneers with a perfect polish, and soft, hand-stitched leathers. A large and lavishly furnished living area, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a tranquil master bedroom with an en-suite spa-like bathroom, and designated areas for entertainment and relaxation could all be included in the carefully planned layout, which would optimize comfort and functionality. Excellent soundproofing, a controlled environment, and ambient lighting would all improve the aboard experience. Integration of technology would be smooth and easy. Anticipate cutting-edge connectivity technologies and infotainment systems that are subtly incorporated into the opulent surroundings. Through user-friendly interfaces, smart home technology might regulate a number of interior environment elements, including entertainment, security, lighting, and temperature. Even though the onboard luxury is more important than the driving experience, Mercedes-Benz's legacy of engineering prowess would still be evident. An innovative air suspension system would provide an incredibly smooth and pleasant ride, shielding passengers from the road's flaws, while a strong yet refined engine would allow for seamless travel. Despite the vehicle's size, comprehensive driver aid technologies would probably improve safety and maneuverability. The term pure luxury emphasizes an emphasis on unwavering exclusivity and comfort. Such a motorhome would probably come with a high level of personalization and bespoke services, enabling buyers to customize the inside to their exact specifications. In conclusion, despite being a concept, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Pure Luxury Motorhome is the pinnacle of mobile living. It imagines a car that offers an unmatched sense of luxury, comfort, and elegant travel by seamlessly fusing the renowned refinement of Maybach onto a large touring platform. It would truly be a rolling palace, representing the ultimate in home and car design.